Now, let me show you something, and I realize that there's no orange person in the world per se, maybe, well, other than that guy. So orange isn't really a skin tone for except maybe like one person. Hello everybody, welcome back to another Premiere Pro video. In this one, I'm going to show you how to color grade like a professional. Not only that, we're going to do it for free. There's no plugins, there's no extensions, there's no LUTs, there's no downloads, there's nothing you have to purchase. It's all free, built in, and I'm going to show you how to do it based on the summer blockbuster look, which most people would describe as the teal and orange look. In this case, I've got Top Gun Maverick loaded up here. This is an actual download of the IMAX version, and I've got it loaded up in Premiere Pro. And if I scrub through this, I mean, you don't have to look hard, and you'll see the teals in the background, the oranges in the skin tones. And if we just keep scrubbing, I mean, it's just non-stop, more and more and more of the same. This is very, very common. I'm going to show you a little bit about the theory, then I'm going to show you how to do it. Should take just a couple minutes. Let's go. All right, so here we go. Here is an image from the movie, and this is a website called color.adobe.com. I highly recommend it for anybody that's doing color correcting. And what you can do is you can just upload an image like I've done here, and then you get these little circles with these crosshairs in them, and you can just move them around and see exactly what color you're looking at. So if I wanted to see what this is, I'm just moving it around and you'll see the color changes. And like I said, it's orangish and tealish, depending on, again, on where you look. Now, let me show you something, and I realize that there's no orange person in the world per se, maybe, well, other than that guy. So orange isn't really a skin tone for except maybe like one person, but the skin tones like these ones here, they all fall within the orange range. So this is a second image I uploaded, and you'll see here I've got the circles over the different levels of skin tone, ranging from, you know, the lightest to some of the darker ones over here. And then watch this. If I go to the color wheel, and again, this is all free, and I click on the complementary option, here we go. Look what happens. This is where the skin tones are, and this is the complementary colors on the left side. The greens, the light teals, the darker teals. So the orange and the teals are a real thing, and this is why we do that. So now let's go into Premiere Pro. I'll show you how it's done. All right, so we're in Premiere Pro again, and I've got nothing loaded. All you got to do is go to File, New, Project. I've shown you an example with Top Gun Maverick of it in action, and then I showed you some of the theory really quickly. Now I'm going to show you how to do it. It's very, very simple. Let's just go ahead and grab a video here. I'm just grabbing some default footage. I don't know, I kind of like the look of this one here. This looks cool. I'm going to click on it and click Create. Again, you should use your own footage. I'm just using, you know, generic footage just to show you the technique. Now, this has some blues already in it, so we're kind of, you know, a little bit of the way there. The next step is you want to go up here to Window, go to Workspaces, and then make sure Color is selected. When you do that, you're going to see Lumetri Color on the right side. Now, again, there's nothing here you have to download or use. All you need to do is in Lumetri Color, go to Color Wheels and Match. Click on that, and then you get options, shadows, midtones, and highlights. To get the orange and teal look, pull the shadows into the bluer area. So I'm going to pull it down and into the bluish teal area. Again, you guys can season this to your taste. I'm going to grab the midtones and I'm going to pull those up into the oranger area. So let's just go ahead and move those up a bit here. I'm going to go probably a little too far just to show you the technique. Go a little bit too much. And then for the highlights, you can go in either direction towards the oranges or the teals. I tend to go towards the teals because I like that a little better. But again, you can do this as you see fit. Now, the little up at the top right, you'll see the FX button beside Lumetri Color. You can toggle that on, toggle it off. And you'll see here, it's a subtle change, but it's a change. And this is how you apply color correction to all of your footage. Thanks for watching.